Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Business Communication. There's a common expression in English that says, variety is the spice of life. It means in order for things to be interesting, they need to be new, different and constantly changing. But variety is also the spice of English speaking. Repeating the same words, phrases and expressions over and over again can seem boring. In fact, it can sometimes make you sound like a robot. That's why in English, as in many other languages, it is essential to learn new and different ways to say the same thing. We all know that it's polite to say thank you to someone after they have done something nice or helpful. But did you know that you're welcome isn't the only way to respond when someone thanks you? So here are a few more ways to say you're welcome in English. So let's get started. My pleasure. This is probably the most formal and gracious options on the list. It means you're telling the other person that whatever favor you have done for them, you truly enjoyed it. Next, not at all. This is also a very polite option and you would normally use it after performing a service for someone. This option courteously suggests that thanks aren't necessary. Not at all. Don't mention it. This is a slightly more relaxed way of saying you're welcome than the first two. As with not at all, you're implying that the favor was so simple or pleasant that the other person doesn't even need to thank you for it. Next, happy to help. If you're happy to do something, you're very willing to do it, then say happy to help you again. No problem, not a problem. This is also very common. It is almost an automatic response. You can expect to hear it in all kinds of situations such as at a grocery store, in a restaurant or in conversation with friends. No worries. This is also almost common and is gaining more traction around the English-speaking world. It is similar in sentiments to no problem. It is a little more relaxed and colloquial. Next is anytime. This is a nice response to use in a friendly conversation because it implies that you would be happy to perform a similar favor again. It's nothing. In English, you should say this one for when you really want to assure someone that you don't go too much trouble for them. With the wrong tone of voice, it could sound like you're deflecting their gratitude. And the second last is sure. Use this in a low-stakes situation when you have just done a small favor. Sure. And the last is that's okay, that's alright. This option is common and you can expect to hear it frequently in friendly conversation. So, with these options, you should be able to find just the right words for any situation. Now that you have looked at the subtle differences in meaning behind these responses, you can see how many messages you can send with just a few words. But do remember, when you want to be polite, the most important thing is sincerity. No matter which option you go with, smile and use a friendly tone of voice when responding to a thank you. Your polite manner will tell people far more than the words you choose. So thank you everyone. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, do like it and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.